Hey team, this is Mahogany Jones with Forex Global, aka Forex and Chill Friday Nights, hosted by Guinevere Ramos. We're going to go over choosing and setting up a broker. So if you have not set up a broker, need to understand how to choose one, and need to set up your account, this video is for you. So first of all, what is a Forex broker? It's really simple. They're just firms that provide us traders with access to their platform that allows us to buy and sell foreign currency. That's it. Think of it as like a bank account, right? So the transaction in this market are always between a pair of two different currencies. So as traders, we either buy or sell the pair that we want to trade. Now that happens through our broker. They're responsible for taking care of that for us. So in order for us to make any kind of money, we need to have a Forex broker or a broker. Now, just some things to remember about a broker. They allow us to exchange money within the market. It's for us retail clients. So banks have them, other institutions have them, but typically most brokers are for us, the retailers. And then it allows us to actually have access to leverage, which is a very big thing in Forex trading, cryptocurrency trading, leverage. And that's the number one thing about a broker is their leverage, okay? So want to know, if we use the brokers to make money, people always have the question of how do they make money? Well, they are compensated in two major ways. Okay, so primarily it's on the ask bid spread of a currency pair. So that spread between the buy and the sell price is their spread, which is how they get paid. Which is why when not many people in the market, that spread is big because they want to make money because they're not making enough from the volume of people. And then when there's a lot of people in the market, that spread shrinks because now they have more people in the market, and the lower their spread, the more people that they have that want to buy will buy. And then secondly, another way is they will charge additional fees, like a fee per transaction. So, but one thing I found out is that because there's so much competition out there, the brokers are very good at having promos and like eliminating all these fees and sign up with us and your fees will be waived and we'll even pay you back any fees that a third party will charge you. So they make their money by doing charges like fees. But again, the competition out there makes it easier for us. And then also there's other little things out there that they make their money on, but there's regulations out there to help a lot of the brokers stay in line to not charge us all these crazy amounts, okay? So with that being said, the biggest thing that you want to do is choose a trader. I'm sorry, as a trader, choose a broker. Now, there are a lot of them out there. It's like going to a grocery store and picking a brand. You want to get some tortillas, and there's like 15 different tortilla choices, but you only need one kind of tortilla. It's the same thing with choosing a broker. So when you choose a broker, there's some questions you want to ask yourself. And I listed 5 of them only. What method of deposit withdrawals they accept? What is the leverage limit? Very important. What are the spreads like? Very important. What is the minimum amount to open a live account? And also, what do they trade, allow us to trade? What pairs? Do they allow us to trade crypto, commodities? If you do binary, you want to know what the broker is offering you. These are the biggest things you have to pay attention to. And I actually found a list of brokers that help you with this very thing, okay? So I'm going to say there's this list of suggested brokers, but please research via Google any reviews on each broker. It's very easy. It's not hard. Just do research. And I will tell you this, just like McDonald's or Disneyland, they serve a billion people. Not everybody's going to be happy, and you're going to find some negative reviews. So make sure you're going through them to see if there's any consistency in the reviews, but don't make this hard. It's really, really easy. So let's go to that list. So fx-list.com, they have all of these brokers plus more, right? They have information about CFDs, binary, social training, crypto, commodities, oil, gold, stocks, and even tells you if you're in the United States like I am, brokers that will actually work with us, because there's a lot of them that does. Okay, people care about regulated forex brokers, offshore forex brokers. Now, I mean, if you don't want to be regulated, heavily regulated, you would come here to look at these people. I mean, I won't say, I've heard some bad things about brokers, which is why I say go ahead and review. But this FX list will definitely give you a start on what's out there. So, one thing I like about this is, number one, it gives you a snapshot. It tells you the leverage, the minimum deposit, what kind of spreads, are they low, medium, or high, where it's located at. So if you know that if it's a US regulated or an international one, what do they trade? And then also what platforms. Now, most of them will use MT Trader 4, and they will also have web access. And then here it lets you know what method of payment. So as you can see, we've hit mostly all of our questions just by going to fx-list.com. That's why I like them. So I'm going to go over with you guys just simple steps on opening a brokerage account. And there's only really 2 steps. Register with a broker, open a live account. So very simple. I like FX Choice. I like LQDFX. I like Trader's Way. I like CoinX. There's a lot of different things that I like. I have Oanda. There's a lot of different things that's out there, okay? So when you choose a broker after doing your due diligence, you choose one, you pick one. If you go to this list, and if I type in here, FX Choice, it comes right here. I can click on it. It gives me a little bit more information, and I can go right to the site. As you can see, any information that I want to utilize from them is right here. I'm going to tell you, number one, for all brokers, live chat button is your friend. If you have any questions, click on live chat. They'll answer. Okay? There's different type of accounts. Most brokers that have a lending site, it's pretty easy to use, and just click on stuff. It's not hard. Just click, read. Click and read. Right here, I could just go right now to open live account. I'm going to have to register. They're going to ask me questions, right? So I have to answer those questions. They're going to be personal questions. But again, you're opening an account where you're going to be working with money. And a lot of times these are businesses, and they have to make sure they're not laundering money and that you're not laundering money. So they're going to ask you questions that they need to have on file. Now, when you're dealing with a US broker, you're going to have a lot of questions because they want to get your money. You're dealing with taxes. They want to make sure they tax you correctly on it so they can get a piece of your pie, which is why international brokers have a lot less things going on. Not to say that you're doing anything that's wrong when you're doing a U.S. account and then ask you all these questions. It's just that the access the government wants to have to the money that you're making. Anyway, fill out this information because step number one is to register with the broker. Step number two is to open an account. So once you answer all their personal data, then they're going to allow for you to open an account. So here, what I did was I just had a registration for you guys real quick, and this is what comes up. I have a Bitcoin wallet, and I've actually opened up a USD wallet. So you'll see here they have everything for you. Love FX Choice because it's so easy. You can even create another wallet. These wallets just mean a holding account. Say you want to put $1,000 to have access to trade. You put the $1,000 in your wallet, and you could open up 5, 6, 2, 3, 4 accounts. Now you don't want your $1,000 all in one account in the market. So in one account you can put 200, another account you can put 100. You can divide your money from this wallet and post it into an account. And that way you can monitor how much money you have out there being leveraged. Okay? So again, $1,000 in your wallet, 100 here. That means in this particular account, you cannot lose more than 100. Okay? Now, say when I click on open live account, they're going to ask me some questions. What type of account do you want? They have all this information here. If you don't know what ECN means, click on get help, chat with us, and fill the information out. They're going to pop up, ask them a question. They will help you. It's really easy. I'm going to choose MT4 classic variable. Currency, Bitcoin, Ripple, Canadian, pound. You choose what your currency is. I'm going to choose USD. Now, their max leverage is 200. Remember, they told us that here. So there's no surprise. So when we go here, you can pick any number that you want. I like 200, I actually prefer 500. And then I click open an account. Easy peasy. Now that took me less than 2 minutes. And that's with giving explanations. They give you your login, your password, what type of server it is, and what type of account it is. Okay, and even it tells you here, now you can download MT4 for Windows or MT4 for Mac. You can take your login and your password, and you can change your password. It has other information here too. I'm telling you guys, your chat button with people at any broker is going to be your best friend. You can't do something, it's not allowing you. Click on the chat button. If there's after hours, leave a message. Your best friend. Do not be intimidated. It's very, very, very easy. I'm going to go to account, and I have this account. I'm going to click on it, and I'm actually going to delete it. It's very easy. Do not delete it with any money in it. They won't let you do it anyway. So I have shown you how to register. I have shown you how to create an account, and I've shown you how to delete an account. It's really, really easy. You must do these steps in order for you to make money in the Forex market, okay? So this has been Mahogani Jones. Thank you so much for tuning in. Rewind the video, go over any steps. Just have fun. Don't make this too hard. It's really easy. And take care. Bye now.